Have you ever wondered how the biscuits you enjoy with tea or coffee are made? From crispy butter biscuits to sweet, cream-filled snacks, biscuits are a part of our daily lives. In today's video, we will take you inside a modern biscuit manufacturing factory and show you the complete process, from raw ingredients to perfectly packed biscuits ready for the market. So stay with us till the end to see how millions of biscuits are produced every day with speed, precision, and hygiene. The biscuit making process begins with selecting high-quality raw materials. The main ingredients include wheat flour, sugar, edible oil or butter, milk powder, salt, and flavoring agents. All ingredients are carefully tested in the quality control laboratory to ensure they meet food safety standards. Only approved materials are transferred to the production area to maintain consistent taste and quality. Once the ingredients are ready, they're fed into large industrial mixers. These mixers blend the flour, sugar, fat, and other ingredients into a smooth, uniform dough. The mixing time and speed are precisely controlled, as this directly affects the texture and crispiness of the biscuits. After mixing, the dough is rested for a short period to achieve the perfect consistency. Next, the dough is passed through a series of rollers that flatten it into thin sheets. These sheets then move to cutting machines where biscuits are shaped using molds or cutters. Logos, patterns, or brand names are often stamped onto the dough at this stage. The excess dough is recycled back into the system, reducing waste. The shaped dough pieces now travel through a long, temperature-controlled tunnel oven. Baking is the most critical stage of biscuit production. Inside the oven, biscuits are baked at high temperatures for several minutes. This process removes moisture, gives biscuits their golden color, and creates their crunchy texture. After baking, the biscuits are extremely hot and fragile. They are transferred to cooling conveyors where they gradually cool down to room temperature. Proper cooling is essential to prevent breakage and to prepare the biscuits for packing or cream filling. For cream biscuits, an additional step is included. A layer of flavored cream, such as chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry, is applied between two biscuits. Automated machines ensure accurate cream quantity and perfect alignment, creating uniform sandwich biscuits. Before packaging, biscuits pass through inspection systems. These include visual checks, weight checks, and metal detectors to ensure product safety. Only perfect quality biscuits move forward to packaging. Finally, biscuits are packaged using high-speed packaging machines. They are sealed in moisture-proof wrappers to maintain freshness and shelf life. The packed biscuits are then boxed, labeled, and prepared for distribution to stores and supermarkets around the world. And that's how biscuits are made in a factory, from simple ingredients to delicious snacks enjoyed by millions every day. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing manufacturing.